previous class while addressing matrices. Okay, there is a square matrix where number of rows and number of columns are equal. And here we say determinant. This determinant is a numerical number which represents your square matrix. You can find out that particular value. And here we are going to have what is called as a general form of its representation. A general form of matrix and determinant and its representation. A formula instead you can call. Now, all of you can copy this A, that is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, and A33. Okay. This is just a representation. Okay, here in the slide, they say that A, first row it is called as A, second row it is called as B, second row it is called as C. Okay, you can take that. That is what is called as A11. Okay, they have taken three different variables. That's fine. A11, A12, A13, B11, B11, B22, B23, C31, C32, C33. Okay, that is a general form. Okay, it can be like this: A11, A22, A23. First row, that is represented by a variable called as A, and first row first column element, second row second column element, second row third column element. Next is B11, sorry, B, that is B21, B22, B23, that is the second row. Next C, third row, C11, C22, C23. That is here. C, sorry, this is C. There is some difference. Okay, don't consider this. You take C as the third row. C, 31, C, 32, next C, 33. You can take this one. A11, A22, A23, B21, B22, B23, C31, C32, and C33. Look at this. 22, 11, 22, and 33. They are in a diagonal. A11, B22, C33 are the diagonal elements, or the diagonal elements. Understood? Hello? You're following me?
Following, sir.
Any questions, Moksha? Hello? Any questions? Any questions, anybody? Yeah. Now, full screen mode. Okay, you'll understand. Okay. There on the top of the first column, you mark it as plus. On the top of the second column, you mark it as minus. And on the top of the third column, you mark it as plus. Okay, you mark plus, comma, minus, comma, plus on above the respective columns. Above the respective columns. Understood? Plus, minus, plus. Is it visible in the slide?
Yeah, sir.
Hello? Yes? Yeah.
It's visible, sir.
It is very much visible. Now, there's a matrix representation. Now, look at go to the second step here. Determinant is always represented followed by your modulus symbol. It is like this. A that is equal to, this is what is called as determinant. That's the symbol. Understood? That particular A, and within that two vertical lines. Understood? Fine? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now you write this. A11. A11 lies where? It is in the first column, right? All of you say, look at the given.
sir.
Yeah. A11 lies in the first column. You first start with A11. I'm showing you how to expand this. If you expand and simplify, you will get a number. That number is called as determinant. Today I'll address only mathematical representation. Problems have to be solved, okay, in the offline mode only. Otherwise, it is very difficult to follow. Okay, I'll give you only the mathematical representation. Formula part, I'll just explain it today. Now, A11. A11 lies where? First column. A11 lies where? In the first row. And now, take this A11. Consider A11. And after that, suppress first row and first column elements. Suppress first row and first column elements. Understood? A11 lies in the first row, first column, right? Understood? Hello?
Understood, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
If you suppress first row, first column, you are left with what? B22, B23, C32, C33. Right? Draw the line. A11 and along the horizontal line, first line and the first column. If you suppress it, if you delete it, imaginarily you have to delete it. You have to do it in the mind work. Okay, if you delete it, you are left with a B22, B23, C32, C33. That is represented here. Followed? Moksha, are you getting it? Hello? Hello? Moksha, you are following it or not? Priti, are you following? Suppress first row, first column elements, because we are starting with the coefficient A11. Next, we start with the coefficient A12. Next, we start with the coefficient A13. Accordingly, we suppress respective rows and respective columns. We are left with what is called as 2 cross 2 elements. Moksha, you are not answering. Tell me whether you are following it or not. Please check it again. I will explain it again if you want. Okay, this is a square matrix representation where we have 3 rows and 3 columns. It is A11, A12, A13, B21, B22, B23, C31, C32, C33, and we are going for its expansion to find its determinant value. And to start with, A determinant, A within these vertical columns is equal to, first you start with A11. You check this. A11 lies where? It lies at first row and first column. Understood? Moksha, tell me whether you have followed it or not. That's okay, no problem. If not, okay, I'll explain it again for you, okay, sometime later. Or you can listen to me by my YouTube channel again. Okay, next.
Following, sir.
Hello, Moksha, tell me. Message it.
Yeah, I'm
Next.
following, sir.
Following, fine. Then it's okay. Now, if you take A11 and as the coefficient, the starting initial coefficient to start with, okay, we are suppressing first row, first column. Here, 1, 1 represents first it is row, next it is column. 1, 1 means first row, first column. 1, 2 means first row, second column. 1, 3 means first row, third column. That is 1, 1 means first row, first column. First row and first column. Next, and we are going for 1, 2 now. Next, 1, 2, first row, second column. And second column. Right? Similarly, if you say 1, 3, it is equal to first row and third column. First row and third column. Followed? Followed?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, I said followed.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, so by default, when we consider the determinants also, the sign would be plus and minus, sir.
No, there is a convention. Okay,
Okay.
there is a I'm telling you, I was supposed to be tell it to you in the later to inform it to you later course of discussion. You are asking the question now itself, no problem. Okay, there's a convention. There's a convention while solving determinants. Always you have to assume this plus minus plus. That is constant. That is the order.
Got it, sir.
Plus for first column, minus for second column, plus for third column. Plus, minus, plus.
Sir, even if the elements inside the matrix is negative value, we have to consider plus minus and plus, sir.
Irrespective of the sign, irrespective of the signs of the elements in the matrix, okay, whatever may be their position, don't worry about that. But this plus minus plus assumption holds good for all determinant calculations.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now, I said A11, I said suppress first row, first column. We are left with B22, B23, C32 and C33. Next, okay, as it is plus, okay, it is plus A11. Next, it is A12. A12 is associated with what sign on its column? Minus, right? Hello?
Yes, sir, minus.
A12 is associated with minus sign on the top of its column, right? You take minus A12. Right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir.
A12 means here first row and second column. You suppress first row and second column. See what you are left with. If you suppress first row and first column, A12, that is suppress first row and second column. Suppress first row and second column. See what you are left with. If you do that, if you suppress first row and second column, you are left with B21, B23. First row, second column I am suppressing, your T shape will come, and B21 and B23, C31 and C33. See, it is written here. Is it visible? Are you following?
Following,
Hello?
sir.
Yeah. Any questions, Moksha, Preeti, Rakshit, Shrikant, Subramanya, Gagan, Anusha? You have to follow some of the rules, how to simplify a determinant. That is, one to says that you need to suppress or you need to what is called as eliminate imaginarily for the time being the first row and second column. If you suppress first row and second column, you are left with what is called as B21 and B23, C31 and C33. You are left with now, you are left with, now we are left with what? B21 and B23, B21, B23, next C31 and C33, C31, C33. You write into the same order. Yes? Shall I continue now?
Yes,
Shall I
sir.
continue or you have any questions?
No questions, sir. You
No
can continue.
questions. Yeah. Now go to the next one. It is A13, last column. Last column, first term, that is A13. A13 represents what? First row and third column. Similarly, A13 represents, A13 means suppress first row and third column. Suppress first row and third column elements. First row and third column elements. Check what you are left with. Now you are left with. Check what you are left with. You are left with if you suppress first row and third column, you are left with B21, B22, B21, B22, next C31 and C32, C31, C32. Okay. Followed. You
Followed,
copy
sir.
this. Yeah. You copy the second step now, including the arrow marks. Top left to down right, and then top right to down left. There are some arrow marks shown, right? Okay, you just copy the whole representation here, including the arrow marks. Okay, copy this representation. Copy the representation, the slide. Copy the representation. Copy the representation in the slide, including arrow marks. Including arrow marks. Okay. Understood? Now after that, on the top of each and every 2 cross 2 determinant or 2 cross 2 representation, you write plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, common. Left is plus, right is minus. Here left on the top left plus, next it is minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus. Understood? These are all the steps. I can say rules, guidelines to simplify the determinants, guidelines to evaluate determinants. Followed? Hello? Yes?
Followed, sir.
Next is all about multiplication. Simple. Now, there you continue there. A11 is equal to, determinant A is equal to A11. Now, B22 into C33 have to multiply. And there is a minus symbol here. And this is minus, okay, B23 into C32. Okay, the whole square bracket, it is taken here. After that, okay, as minus is associated with A12, minus A12 you have to take. Similarly, B21 into C33 minus B23 into C31. Okay, close the square bracket. Next, after the next one, it is plus A13, right? Plus A13. And follow this arrow marks down. B21 into C32 minus B22 into C31. And that's what exactly, if you have some numbers here, you can just multiply and subtract. Okay, there you will get the determinant. Follow the rule of multiplication. Next. Follow the rule of multiplication as per the guidelines stated. As per the guidelines stated. Right? Followed? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Somebody, okay, send me the image. Those who have written good, written well, written neatly. I have another 10 minutes left. Somebody send me the image. Moksha, you have written, send me the image. Preeti. Sumedh. Srikanth. Somebody please send me the image. See, let me check how beautiful.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please send it. Just put it in the chat box. After that, we can go for solving examples on this. And you will get one question on this for 10 marks. Evaluate the following matrix. If at all examination is conducted, you will get it for 10 marks. Yeah. You can look at this writing of Sumedh. He has written it beautifully. And even Srikanth is also did it. Yeah. See? Okay, both of them are did well. You can copy any one of this. If anybody is not following my slide or my PPT here, Okay, either you can copy Sumed's writing. Sumed's writing is okay, bit space he has maintained. Okay, spatially it is written, and even he has written the arrow marks are also quite neatly, and you can look at this. Okay, both are fine. Anybody, anyone you can copy. And next is all about numbers and multiplication. The remaining is all about numbers and its multiplication. Remaining is all about its respective numbers and multiplication. Good, Hita, fine, very good. Anybody can okay, you can look at the images. They are there for you forever in the Teams calendar. You can check it. You can copy. And next is respective numbers and its multiplication. And determinants are holds good only for square matrix. Please note a point. Please note it. Determinants are holds good. Determinants are only with respect to square matrix. Determinants exist only for square matrices or only for square matrix, not for any other things. Square matrix and determinant, that's it, you can say. You cannot have a determinant for a rectangular matrix. Indifferent rows and indifferent columns. No determinant will be there. Different rows and different columns. If number of rows and number of columns are not same, you cannot find the determinant. Understood? Hita, followed, man?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Moksha did not replied. I don't know whether Moksha is written this return this representation or not. I don't know whether she's there listening me or not. Next, you can take an example. You take find the question. Take it as find the determinant of it is I'll give you all plus values, don't worry. Okay, it is quite complicated here. 154. Determinant of 154. Next 232. Next 340. One five four, 342, and 340. Can anybody solve it quickly and give me the answer? Okay, fine. Good. Good, Moksha. Please simplify this and give me the answer. Sumed?
Yeah, sir.
Yeah, quickly simplify it and give me the answer.
Okay, sir.
154, 232, and 340. Follow the same order. In the example, there are minus elements within that. Okay, I'm not taking that example. Okay, I've just removed minus signs and I've given only the plus values so that your simplification becomes easy. Okay, do it and send the image quickly within 5 minutes. Quick. Please do it. All of you can copy the problem and try solving it on the basis of your determinant representation. You have understood the formulation of this, and you can solve it easily.
Sir, there is a
Yes.
minus value. There are minus values in the question. Should we include it? Should I include it?
No. You take my question here. 154,232,340.
Okay, sir.
It is there in the chart box to check.
Got it, sir.
Okay. Intentionally, I'm avoiding minus sign to begin with, to make it more simple. Please, here 154 represents A11, A12, A13. 232 represents B21, B22, B23, and 340 represents C31, C32, and C33. And if you want, I can give you further explanation. A11 is equal to 1. A12 is equal to 5. A13 is equal to 4. A13 is equal to 4. B21 is equal to 2. B21 is equal to 2. B22 is equal to 3. B23 is equal to, B22 is 3. B22 is equal to 2. Next, go for the last one. C31. C31 is equal to 3. C32. C32 is equal to 4. C33 is equal to 0. And you just substitute all the values in the final equation and simplify and give me the answer. Use your calculators, multiply and subtract and then add and then you give me. And use the same formula. I have not taken any minus signs within the elements. Followed? Srikanth, are you getting it?
Sir, should I send it in the chat box? Or,
Yeah, please. Put it. Check the calculations once and then you send it. Check all your multiplication. Please verify it.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.